Hey, I'm in a Minecraft video. Yeah, this is my first time using the webcam. So yeah, I'm gonna be a noob. Yeah, I don't know what to do. So this is my prison, as you can see. Yeah, pretty good, right? I'm about to make a cafeteria, but not in front of the video because it's gonna take so long. Yeah, this is my office. That's not how you spell it. Office. I can't spell. So yeah. Whoa. Nice office. Nice computer. Look at the keyboard. I'm hack it. Okay. Oh, that's my brother. My brother joined. He's in survivor mode. My brother just joined. I'm gonna break that. Yeah. You gotta put these in. Yeah. Oh wait, he's in survivor mode. Yeah. Yeah. Open the showers. I'm gonna put a locker room too. But I haven't built it. Yeah, that's what it looks like when you shower. Oh, he breaking that because he placed it before. Well, yeah, that is the sails. The sails are pretty nice. Yeah, am I right, guys? Yeah. Open it. Toilet. I spent all the time on the toilet. Yeah, I'm gonna put stairs on the other side. I just put stairs right here because yeah. But I'm done. And this is my yeah. I'll find the chicken. That is a chicken. I'm gonna find it. I forgot where things were because I'm still new at the game. My brother's literally dying. Now I'm gonna find a rope. My gallows. Where is it? Oh, is that the weapons? Yeah. What was that? I didn't mean to hit my brother. Yeah. Oh my, he just pushed and yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna replace another one. The perfect time. It's raining. Why you get out? Chicken. Die. I don't need you. There's another one. Technical difficulties. Yeah, you're gonna die. Yeah, now you. His name is Mr. Bad. He murdered. I don't know. He cooked his friends. Well, yeah. He hung. I'ma go in. It's raining. I'm covered in rain, water. Yeah, I'm gonna go in the hallways. Put these away. Someone just messaged me. I think that was a robocall or robo message. Yeah, that's put it so people can leave. I'm gonna start off the cafeteria. Okay, I'm not gonna finish it. I'm gonna do it later. Office. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Well, yes. My brother's still in the game. So you can look at him. a look at him. Yeah. I'm gonna put some villagers in, like right now. So yeah, I'm saying yeah like a lot of times. Villagers right there. I'm gonna give one to my brother. Because he's survival mode. I can just put him back in creative mode, but I don't want to. Yeah. There. I'm gonna get one for myself. There. Put one in there. Bob, you've been bad. And you, Ted. And your twin, Terry. You've been bad. And the biggest one gets no light because they have no light in them. I'm gonna put stairs on the other side because I did not put stairs. Open that and you did bad. My name is. Hey, why did you escape? Go in. What? Okay. Get in. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go put him in the other cell. There. Yeah. Yeah, I'm playing on mobile. You. Yeah, this one is you. Derek. I'm gotta get him sleepy. Yeah, I'm gonna put it.
Always day is enabled in this level. Always day is enabled in this level.
Clear. The hand. Yeah, I'm about to end it, guys. Yeah, so like, okay, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll see you guys.